In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up invoice and quote settings in Xero. By the end, you'll have a clean branding theme for your documents and reliable defaults that save time and reduce mistakes. Start by signing into Xero and looking to the top of the screen. Click your name to open the account menu, then choose Settings. From there, head into Invoice Settings. This is your home base for how invoices and quotes look and behave. We'll create a fresh branding theme so your documents look professional and consistent. Click New Branding Theme. In the editor that opens, begin with your address. Make sure it matches what you want clients to see on every invoice and quote, including country and any required regional details. Next, update your business details. This is where you can include your legal trading name and registration information. If your jurisdiction requires displaying a tax or business number on invoices, add it here so it appears automatically and keeps you compliant. Now, refine the look and feel. Open. Brand and styling to set the visual elements. Click. Choose logo and upload a clear, high-resolution file. PNG with a transparent background often looks best. Keep the file size reasonable so documents load quickly. While you're here, check that your colors and fonts align with your brand for a consistent client experience. When you're happy, click. Save theme. Xero will store this as a reusable template for invoices and quotes. Back on the invoice settings area, open default settings. These options control the behavior of new invoices and quotes so you spend less time editing each one. Set the sales invoices default due date. Pick the timing that fits your workflow, such as on approval, end of the month, or a number of days after the invoice date. Clear, predictable due dates help cash flow and reduce follow-ups. Next, enter an invoice prefix. Short, readable prefixes make tracking easier. For example, use something like INV followed by an automatic number sequence. Do the same for your quote prefix, such as QO, so quotes and invoices are instantly distinguishable at a glance. Then set the quote expiry date. An expiry encourages timely decisions and lets you manage pricing validity without editing each quote. When everything looks right, click Save. That locks in your defaults and applies your branding theme the next time you create an invoice or a quote. You've now aligned your brand, automated key fields, and set consistent timelines, making your documents clearer for clients and faster for your team to produce.